Absolutely. On the pause. Thank you very much for the follow. And thanks for the clip, Guild. I was reading comments, I think. And it only ate the back treble, you know, the feather. So I might want to slow down, which this early in the day I don't really feel like doing. But Scanian, if I butchered your name, I apologize. I try and get out once a week. Right now I've been getting out twice a week. Got Musky Mondays, Topwater Tuesday, Walleye Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, Fishy Friday, weather permitting and schedule. Oh, there's one out there, 35 feet. Right on the surface. Might even jump here. If you guys look straight out that way, 35 feet, there was a bass cruising. Oh, there's 2, 3. I'm just... Oh, geez, that's a pike, I think, right, guys? Was that a pike? It was just way too big. You still have it? Oh, I don't want to set the hook. Remember I just said I was going to lose my top popper? I don't want to set the hook because I'm pretty sure that's a pike. But he's not coming off. Come off. No. It's not coming off. Alright, it's a pike. Oh yeah. Goodbye, popper. If this guy goes for a run, I can see my popper down his yap. But I really would like to get my popper back. So let's try and land this fish. It's kind of coming in pretty easy right here. This would be a perfect eater. He's gonna go nuts in the net. All right. Jeez. Come on, let go. Wow. Hey, buddy. That is a loon. Juvenile loon. What's up, pal? You guys are getting Canada'd right here. I'm gonna need some tools because this guy inhaled this pike. Pike, I really don't care if it dies. If it dies, I'll eat it, no problem. I'm just happy I got my popper back. Can't even see my popper. Popper back. Get off of there. Piker. Topwater Tuesday.